Keysha from B3A. Today, I want to show you the true ethics of coughing. Don't cough like this. That's wrong. If you're coughing, close with your elbows like this. Or, you can use a tissue like this. Don't forget the tissue thrown in the trash bin, yeah? If you are coughing, don't forget to wear a mask. Okay, don't forget friends, stay safe and healthy. Please just stay at home, yeah? Oh yeah, thanks mom for helping to make this video. Bye friends. Wassalamualaikum.